down here, it's about as big as the Mississippi. Take a look. Nice big river. Pretty cool. Hey guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe and hit that like button. See you soon. The sweet dragonfly head. Hey buddy. I think he was nodding hello. Almost looks like he's got a motorcycle helmet on, like a CHIPS helmet, California Highway Patrol helmet. Down below the wall on the mighty Mississippi, facing south. That was never there when we were kids. The pontoon boat and dock. The old May house, May Printing. We got the college campus heading up there in the trees. And heading up north, when this river would freeze, we would go skating on it, believe it or not. Division Street, St. Germain Street, and the railroad bridge is all right there. Pretty cool. Flashback. So the great blue herring shows up at our property a lot. And it's hard to get him because he's so aware. He sees me every time and flies away. Let's see if I can pull a focus on this guy. Sometimes they'll hang out on our dock. Yep, see? That guy, you can't fool him. View of the river too. This is the Cumberland River, Kentucky.